Alright guys, so you're welcome to this video, and in this video I will be showing you how I design what you're seeing on your screen exactly. This is a complete, blown website that has all the transition, the futures, that has been completely customized and designed for a specific purpose based on the request and the observation from one of you. I mean, Sam, as regards the car rental website, and immediately it talked about that. I just had to, push myself into action, and in the space of 30 to 40 minutes, I was done with this entire website that you're seeing here. And you can see this is the menu. We have the home, and this website is not just a page website. As you can see, we have the home, about us, contact us, service and testimony, and under the you know under the about us we have the frequently asked question, we have the team. And if we collapse that now, let me collapse that. If we collapse that, we have under the service as well. Under the service, if we collapse service, you see under the service we have pricing as well. We have pricing. So that is what this website is all about. That is more or less like a 8 page, 8 pages website. And you can see that right on the home page. Let me collapse this menu. Right on the home page, we have our welcome, what we do. We have a form for people to fill it, and the form is very much active. It's very much active. So let me quickly add a detail here, right? And let me fill the form. And you see that the form has been successfully, submitted. So, and we have the second section here that says we are qualified and professional team. And we have the third section that talks about what we do, that is the services we render. So this is just a welcome section. This is an about us section. This is our service section, and this is to compel our customer, or our visitor, our clients, on why they should choose us. So it's more or less like, uh, 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 a section that was created for people to know the reason why. And these are logistic, what's it called? Numbers, statistics, information that helps them make decision. Then we have a kind of testimonial section here, what as and what we do specifically, reviews, which is another testimonial section. And we have these, and we have the footer. So this is the footer here. As you can see here, this Anitech Auto Repair, which is a registered auto repair company with professional expertise in the repair of sedan, Honda, Ford, and Toyota. Amazing. This was a logo with the we designed for ourselves, right? And also we have the contact information here, and you see all of this contact information. This is number 63 beside Government House, Okifio, Oshogbo, Osun State. This is my number, and this is the email for that, business and the likes. So that is that about that. And if you check display satisfaction guarantee or the money back, get a code. You see that all this button has been linked. This button was linked to our contact page. Check our contact page, see how amazing it is. There's a form here, and we have our information here. Says the phone number, the email, opening hours, address, and we have a map here that shows live location of where we are. And what other page do we have there? We have the about us page. Let's check the about us page. And this is the about us page. You see this now? This is the about us page, about what we do, and all the informations about us, right? All the informations about us. And we have the, okay, that is, so I'm just trying to show you what this, okay, the page I showed you earlier was the home page. So this is the about us page, the information about us, the leadership of, the organization. As you can see, we have the senior mechanic as Olale Oluwadam Lawale, that is me. And we have Samuel as, another senior mechanic. We have Victoria, we have Chinaza as another senior mechanic. How amazing is that? So, and we have them a lot. We have them a lot, why they should choose us, our capability, and the like. So that's not about the about us. I'm just trying to show you what we are going to be doing in this video, so that if this video is what you would like to see and learn from, then you have to stay till the end of this video. Check the service page. Check the service page. See, you see the service page here, car repair service that we offer. So these are list of the things that we do: fuel, system repair, wheel alignment, exhaust repair, electrical diagnosis, auto repair, and a lot like that. And here we're talking about, you know how you can get those things done. So you choose which of the repair that you want, then you schedule your appointment there, you get your car fixed, right? And here we talk about how much we value our clients, the statistics and the footer. So that is just what we'll be doing in this video. So I've mentioned how that the three things that we'll be doing in this video is: one, I'll be showing you how you can build a complete website in a short time using ready-made templates, not theme. Now, the last video we talked about, in the last training, we talked about how you can use a theme, leverage on using a theme to build a complete website. That is installing a theme and downloading and importing a complete blown website through it. That's not what we'll be doing here. And I know that you guys want to learn how to edit those pages that comes with the theme that you import, I mean the website that you import. So I'll also be showing that here in this video, and that is what this video is all about. And thirdly, I'll be showing you how to customize the entire website beyond editing your pages. That is the menu, the footer, the header, the logo, all of those things I'll be showing you. So let's quickly dive into it straight. So let's quickly go to our infinite free account. Let's quickly go into our infinite free account, and I'll be using one of the accounts that I have here that is fresh. And let's go to this, and let's go to the C panel. Let's go to the C panel, and under the C panel, let's go to the Softaculous app installer. Under the Softaculous app installer, I've already installed WordPress here. I think, oh, yeah, I think I already installed WordPress here. So what we would do is, okay, so let's go. I'm not sure I have. Let's go, and we definitely have this. We definitely have this. So let's just go through this route, and let's just say T-Smart 2. But I think I have installed. Sorry, please let me go back to the C panel. Let me go back to WordPress Manager. Okay, I think I haven't. Alright. It seems I have not installed. So let's click on install, and let's quickly go through that route of installing it, and I will show you from scratch how you can get those things done. So let's come to this place, and let's say okay, let's see let's see oh okay, let's see t smart auto. Okay, t smart auto, and the password. So let's just use something that is strong. Create my own. So let's continue. So let's use this, and let's see. Let's continue, and let's see. Okay, let me just duplicate what we have here. What's the name that we use here? We call it Anitech. So let's come back here and see. Let's see Anitech. Anitech auto repair, right? Description, we'll be talking about the description later in these settings. So let's come to this place, and let's change the name here to, let's change this name to Anitech, right? Anitech auto repair, right? So we have all of that sorted out, and let's quickly install the thing. So I told you that I was going to start from scratch, so that you will understand how all of these things are done. primarily. So our website is installing, and I think it's done installing now. So we have our two links, as you guys know. So all I need to do primarily now is just to go to, the second one, which is the slash WP admin. I've taught you guys that. So let's go and open that in a new page, and we have everything here. So we have everything here. Amazing. So we have a fresh WordPress that has been installed. So let's start with the primary settings. So you see all these that I already mentioned to you guys that all you need to do is just to come to this screen option, untick every unnecessary thing that you don't want to see, so as to make your website clean and easy to navigate. So I'm unticking all of those, and I'll close this. It's giving me a notification here, so let me quickly see WordPress 6.8 is available. So let me update that. And amazing, it has been updated. And let's go to the dashboard. Now our dashboard is clean. So let me start with the updates that we have here. So this is telling me that okay, we have all of these updated and the likes. So I don't need to bother myself about this because I'm going to work on them later. So let's go to the post. All post. Do we have any post on the site? Yeah, we do. So we have one, and what I'm going to do is to trash it. Now I'm done trashing it. I want to delete it totally. So I'll go to the trash, and I'll come to it, come over to this place, delete permanently, and it has been deleted. Solid. So the next thing is media. Let's go to media, and let's go to the media library. Do we have anything in the media library? So what we are doing now is what we call the home cleaning, right? We're doing what we call the home cleaning. We don't have anything in the media library. So let's go to pages, and let's click on pages. So we have two pages currently with this website. So what I'm going to do is move to trash, and I will apply. So now that it has been deleted, so what I'm going to do is I'll go to the trash section. When I get to the trash section, what I've deleted, what I sent to the trash, what I moved to trash will be found there. So I'll tick everything, click on that bulk action, delete permanently, and apply. All of these things are not new to you guys, so that's why I'm rushing. So let's continue, and let's move to comments. Do we have any comments on ground? No, we don't. We don't have any comments on ground. So what we are going to do now is we'll move to the next one, which is the appearance. Go to teams. So how many teams do we have currently active on this site? So we have let me close it. We have three teams. We have the 2025 team. Let me close this. We have the 2023 team, 2025, and 2024. So let's start with 2023. I don't want it. So what I'm going to do is I'll come to this down part, and I'll click on delete. Okay, so it's going to delete that. I've deleted that. So I don't want this 2024 either. So I'll come to the down part of it. Okay, so this is it. I'll come to the down part of it, as you can see here on the screen, and I'll click on delete. I'll click on OK, and now I have just one thing. Now for this project that I want to do, the theme I'll be using is a very simple theme that works with Elementor, and I believe that you guys already know what Elementor is all about. We use Elementor to edit page. It's a page builder that we use to build different pages, and we use it to edit pages as well. So I will be using a theme called Hello Elementor. So what you need to do is to come to this add new theme, and I will search for Hello Elementor. Hello Elementor. So I'm searching for that now. So it's searching now, and that is what you're seeing here. The first one, Hello Elementor. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click install. So it is currently installing Hello Elementor, as you can see here on the screen. It's currently installing Hello Elementor. Let me show you that. Now you see, now it has been installed. We need to activate it. So what we are going to do now is click on activate. I'll click on activate, and it has been activated. So Hello Elementor is now the active team on our website. So I can now delete this 2025 team. Go to the bottom part, click on delete, and it will be deleted. So I have just one theme currently active on my website. But now because I installed Hello Elementor, I told you that it is a team that works with Elementor. So it is suggesting to me that I should install Elementor. You already know how to install Elementor. It's either you install it from this place that it's showing to you, this prompting that you can see on the screen, or you go to the plugins and you search for Elementor and you install it. But what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to install it right from this place. So all I'm going to do is just to click on this install Elementor. Let me show you that. And as you can see, install Elementor. So I'm going to click on install Elementor, and it's going to install that plugin for me. The plugin is not on the website currently, but now because I've clicked on install Elementor, it is installing the plugin for me. As you can see, installing plugin Elementor website builder, and the installation is successful. As you can see here, successfully installed the plugin. So what I'm going to do now is to activate the plugin, and let's move on the faster pace. So I'm activating the plugin now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip all of these things. All right, I'm going to skip. I'm going to keep pressing skip. I really don't need all of this. So now that I've clicked on skip, it should take me back to the dashboard, because I don't necessarily need to, okay, it's opening a default page for me. So what I'm going to do is I'll come to this place and copy the entire link, paste it back, right, and delete every unnecessary things till we have it till we reach this WP admin, so that it can take me to the dashboard straight. So I'll click on that and I should be taken to the dashboard. Amazing. So now that we've installed Elementor, I see that we have Elementor, uh, uh screen tab menu here. So what I want to do now is I'll come to this screen option, right? I don't want to see the Elementor screen, what's it called this. So I'll remove this Elementor overview here, so that I'll have a clean, collapse that. Now solid. So we are done with the appearance, that is the theme. So we go to the plugins now. So you click on plugins and you now see the Elementor is not part of your plugins. Solid. So these are the plugins that came with the default WordPress installation, except for the Elementor that we just what's it called, installed on our website. So we have the Akismet anti-spam. We don't need that. You have the Elementor, which has been successfully installed. You have the Hello Dolly. And so what I'm going to do is that except for the Elementor, I'm going to delete all other plugins that came with it, because I don't need them. So I will come to this place and click on delete and tick the entire thing, and I'll click on apply. I'll click on apply and I'll click on OK. So it's going to delete all of those plugins that I don't want, so leaving me with Elementor. So we have only Elementor here. So before we continue, there are three plugins that we'll be using for this project. So the first one is envato elements, and that is what we'll be using to work with our template. Envato element. Please kindly take note of that. Envato element. So what you want to do is you will come to this place and click on add plugins. Click on this place and add plugins. Don't forget how we used to do it. Just come to this search plugins, and now you click envato element. So it's searching for it. As you can see, this first one that has this uh e logo, all right? So all I'm going to do is just to click on install. So that's what we use to, import our template, the template we've gotten so far so good that I want to use. That's what we use. So before I activate it, I want to search for another plugin that we use to build our, footer and our header, right? Our footer and our header. So what I want to do is elementskit. So all of these plugins that I'm using, they are compatible with Elementor, and that is why we are using them. That is what is necessitating our choice, right? So I will come to this and I will type elements kit, right? Elements kit from this word, elements kit, right? It's an add-on that works with Elementor plugin. So now we have it here, the first one, this one that has this EK logo. So I'll click on install. I'll click on install. So every other every other plugin that you use, you see it in the course of the video. Now that we have those two plugins installed, so we'll come to this side and click on install plugin. That is for us to be able to access the plugins that we've installed. But we have installed three plugins. We have only activated one, which is Elementor. So what I want to do is I will click on everything, tick everything, come to bulk action and click on activate. So the ones that are yet to be activated, by the time I apply that activate command on it, it will definitely start activating those three. Now we have the three plugins activated. As you can see on the screen now, we have the elementor elements kit and envato elements. So we are done with the plugin section. So let's go to the settings section. Let's go to the settings section, and let's click on this general. Let's start with the general. Now we are on the general page settings, and our site title is Anitech Auto Repair, and our tagline, let's see, okay, what was the tagline I used then for the one I did? So kindly quickly permit me, let me quickly show you something. So let's go and let's come to our account here. Let me come to my account here, or let me come home. So we have these two accounts. Let me check these out. I just want to copy a few things so I won't start thinking of what to put there again. So let me go to the Substaculars app installer, and one installation, and let's go to WordPress. Let's go to login. Solid. So this is the one I did that I showed you. This is the back end of the one I showed you at the beginning of this video. So let's quickly come to site settings, and let's go to general, and I'm going to copy this entire text here. All right, I'm going to copy it, select all, copy. Let's come back to where we were working here. Where is that again? Okay, this is it. So I'm going to paste that here. Solid, right? So what I'm left with is the site logo. So let me come back to this place. Okay, let's open a new tab and let's see if that is there. So I'm going to download this logo. Okay, have the logo. Let me go to my Canva, and let's quickly get that downloaded with immediate effect. I've designed the logo already, so you must have designed your own logo. You get that? You must have designed your own logo. So our Canva is opening now. Okay, we have it here. We have it here. All right. So this is the logo that we'll be using. Anitech Auto Repair, right? This is the logo that we'll be using. And let me see. Right. So what I'm going to do is come to this place, and where is the download option here? Upload file size, save, and okay, there's a download option. So save as image. All right, it's preparing my designs. Oh, solid. It has been saved. It has been saved to my gallery. So what I'm going to do is we go back to our browser, and we are coming back to this place. So don't forget where we are coming from. We are under the setting now. We've just added the tagline. So what we want to do now is we want to choose a site icon. Site icon is what helps us to see this. See that this is the Anitech that we checked the other time, and you can see the site icon there, right? You can see the site icon there, this black one. So that's what we are trying to do now. So let's go back to our backend, and let's check this. So what we're going to do is we click on select files, photo and video. This is it. It's loading now. Now that it has been loaded successfully, click on set as site icon. Now it's going to ask you if you want to crop that image, but you see how it looks like here now, right? You see now it looks like here. Let me quickly show you what I'm talking about. So you see now it looks like here. So that's what I'm talking about. So I'll click on this crop image here, and it's going to crop it, and we already have it as our site icon. So I'll click on anyone can register, and I'll come and click on save changes. So my first setting has been done successfully. So the second thing is I'll come to this reading. I'll come to this reading. I'll come to this reading, and I would how do I put it in now? Okay, is it reading now? No, permalinks. I'll come to permalinks, and I'll select post name. Click on this post name, and you click on save changes. Click on save changes. Click on save changes, and permalink structure has been updated. Now we have done the basic setup. So our project execution starts from this place. Our project execution starts from this place. So we've installed the necessary themes and plugins that we need, right? We have installed the necessary things and plugins that we need. So what we are going to do before we continue now is when I go to or I told you the other time, I said we'll be using templates, and one of the things that we'll be using to import the templates was the plugin that we installed the other time, which is elementskit. And because we are not elementskit, that's the envato element rather. So because we installed envato elements, we have a new tab here, this tab that looks like this E. You remember these two logo, this EK and that E. So we have the envato element here. And if you click on that envato element, you will see a drop down, welcome, template, free kits, free blocks, install kit, and photos. So now I'm going to quickly show you quite a number of things. So let's go to free kits. So I will show you something that is very, very, very amazing now. So as you can see here, we have a collection of 153 template kits, including 2,389 free individual templates. I've shown you how that you can use theme, how that you can
Are you ready for XM copy trading?
WordPress theme to build a website, and how that there are some things that are called multi-site theme. That is, you have quite a number of sites on them. The same thing is applicable here. So as you can see here, we have quite, as you can see on this screen, we have quite a number of templates that you can use, that you can manipulate. So you have bike repair, rentals, you have music lesson. Now how do you know the ones that you can use? The ones that are free, right? How do you know the one that are free? Because some of these are not free. You definitely have to pay for some of it. Like I told you, for every of these things, they have their paid and they have their free. They have their paid and they have their free. So how do you know the ones that are free? So all you can do is just to filter. So come to this template kit and click on free kits. Click on free kit. Now by the time you are done with this, right, by the time you have clicked on this free kits, just zoom in back, and you'll be able to see all the ones that are available for free that you can use for free. But beyond the one that are available for free, I'll be using a premium one. I'll be using the premium one, right? And that is where this now comes in. So instead of me just using the free kit, I'll now go to installed kits. I've bought some of those kits from envato platform. So I'll come to this install kit. I already have the kit, the zip file of the kit I want to use for this auto rentage, auto repair website. So what I'm going to do is I'll come to this upload template kit, right? Upload template kit, and I will click on this. Then I will have to go to where it is on my on my device, be it a laptop or a mobile phone. So let me just let me find the folder. The folder I keep it. So let me go to my file manager and go to my phone, internal storage, and we have car renter. Now as you can see here, I have tons of templates here that I can use just for car renters, and I have these across all niches. Well, let me use this Docker repair. This is the one I want to use, this fourth one. Let me quickly show you that this fourth one, this one, this is the one I want to use. So let me quickly use that. So I'll click on that. I'll be giving you guys this Docker repair. I'll be giving you guys this Docker repair. So I'll click on this and I'll click on done. Then it's going to import, upload that template kit. Now come and check it and let's see where the magic is. Let's see what will happen after the upload. You see that this thing is dancing currently, right? Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see that this is dancing. So that simply means it's uploading it. So when it's done uploading, you will see everything on the screen. So let's quickly wait for it while it uploads. And let me see other things that in version 2.0 we have changed how the free templates and pre-blocks are configured. Please install a kit first, then they will appear here. Okay, solid. Now this is the template. It is done importing the template. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So let's see the number of pages and the number of template that comes with this. So we have the global kit, right? Global kit sky. We have a styles. We have the testimonial, the pricing. That simply means you can have a pricing page, a testimonial page, a service page, and a team page, a contact us page, right? And also you have this is a sample page. That's the you have an FAQ, frequent asked question, about us page, help and support page, right? Error 404 page, and we have the header page, right? The header page, the footer page, and we have the home page, right? We have the meta CTA form, meta form contact, and the last one is the single post, that is a blog. So you see the number of pages that comes with this. Now for you to be able to use all of these pages, if you check the top right, top right, if you check the the top right section of your screen now, you see what we have there. Let me quickly show you that. You see this is saying install requirement. That is, there are some requirements that you will need for this template to work perfectly on your website. So don't just bother yourself. It is as simple as ABC. All you need to do is just to come to that install requirements and click on install requirements. Then it will show you the things that needs to be installed on your website that will make this template to work and function perfectly and effectively. So the first one is Elementor. We already have Elementor installed. We have Meta form. We don't have that. That is the form plugin. Then we have what's it called? Elementor defaults color and the like. So all of those. So what you need to do is just to click on this install above selected requirements, and you'll be amazed. You'll be amazed at you'll be amazed at what will happen. So you see, this has been installed successfully. The meta form has been successfully installed, and the fourth one. Now you see that it has ticked the four of them: success, right? It has ticked the four of them. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see this first one, you see this second one, you see this third one, and you see this fourth one. It has installed everything successfully. So what you're going to do is you're just going to close this, and now that you've closed this, it simply means you can now start using those templates. You can start using those templates. So what you're going to do now is that we are going to, for us to be able to start doing all of these things, we have two basic things to start doing now. The first one is to create our menu, or let me say three basic things: to create our menu, to create our header and footer. So let's start with our menu. So what are the pages that we have that will be on our menu? So let's quickly note that we have testimonial, service, pricing, team. So let's go to the menu. So how do we create our menu? So you come to this appearance and you come to menu here, this fourth one under appearance menu. So you click on menu, and here you see that you have something on your screen. and we have manage with live preview. All that you don't have any, you don't need to do, as in you don't have anything to do with that. So this is the menu. You see, menu name. So what I will do is I'll name this menu main. That is, this is my main. So in another words, you can have as many as possible menu as you want, depending on how you want your website to work and the manipulations that you want. But for these projects specifically, you're just going to be using just one menu, and we are naming that menu as main. So he's saying menu settings. So add pages automatically. We don't want to tick that. Display location. This menu is going to be displayed on both our header. Now that's header. Let me just use header alone. You can also display the menu on your footer, right? You can display the menu on your footer. Let me close this ad that is showing here. And let's make it both header and footer, right? And what we are going to do now is that we are now going to click on create menu. You see this same add menu items, menu structure. So we are creating the first menu and we are going to click on create menu. Then it's going to create that menu for us, right? It's going to create that menu for us. So automatically we have just one menu now, which is the main menu. So now that we have a menu, we don't have items on that menu. So what are items? Items simply means the list of pages or the things that you want to appear on that menu. Let me show you what menu is all about. So this four bar that you're seeing here, let me show you that. This that you're seeing here, that's the menu. So if you close this and you bring this down, you see the menu: home, about us, contact us, service, and testimonial. But under this about us, you see a drop down. That is, under the about us, we have frequently asked questions, we have the team. If we close that, under the service, let's go back there. Under the service, you see that we have pricing. So that's what we are trying to do now in this place. So what we are going to do now is that we are not going to add menu item. We are going to add menu item. So since we don't have any pages right now, all right, we already have our menu. So let's quickly go and create our pages. So what we are going to do now is we'll go to pages, all pages, and I'm going to delete all of these. These are the pages that came with the installation of Elementor. So I'm going to delete all of these because I don't need them. Move to trash, apply, move to trash, apply. So we don't have any page here. So I'm going to check the trash, and I'll permanently delete all of those pages, right? So I've ticked everything: bulk action, delete permanently, apply, and okay. So what will happen now is I'm going to start creating a new page. I'm going to start creating a new page. So let me do it this way. So let's go to the element, and let's go to the install kit, and I'll open it in a new in a new tab. So open in a new tab. Let's go and check that. All right, there's a reason why I'm coming here. So we have this open in a new tab, and what I want to do is I want to check all the template that comes with all the what's it called, the kits, the pages that comes with this template kit. So when I click on it, so we have testimonial, we have service. So let's go to our page, and what we're going to do now is we now click on add a new page. So we are creating our pages now, right? Now we have this pages here, the page here now. So welcome to a new block. I'm just going to close this, and the title of the page. So let's do home. That is, this page will represent our home page. Then we come to this right hand side, click on publish. That's just what we are doing here. So as soon as we are done with that, it will make that now home is live, as you can see here. Home is live here now, right? So what I'm going to do now is that I'll add a new page. So that is, I'm creating another page here. So we'll name this about us, right? And we'll click on this publish. So we're already creating that second page now, right? Now it has been created. We'll go to add new page, right? And we'll call it contact us. Then we'll come to this publish. That is just the peculiarity here. For the team, all of these things would have come with the team. You are not the one that will start creating a new page and the likes for the team. But with this approach that we are using now, using the templates, right? You definitely have to create it. All you are just importing is the pages, right? So we've created the contact us page. Add a new page. So we'll call it our service, or let's just call it services. Then we publish that as well. It's publishing. Add a new page. So now let's go back to this place. We have testimonial, we have pricing, we have team, right? So let's go and create a page for those, right? So let's go and create a page for testimonial, right? And now that we have the name of the page there, we click on publish, we click on publish. Add a new page. Team. Click on publish, click on publish. We've done that of, okay, we have pricing, 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 okay, pricing FAQ up and support, pricing FAQ up and support. So let's come here, add a new page. So we type pricing, publish, publish, add a new page. FAQ, that's frequently asked question. Publish, publish. All right, add a new page. So type to this support, right? Publish, publish. Which other page do we need to add that we've done about us? We've done footer and okay, I think we are good to go now. I think we are good to go now, and let's go to this place. Now that we are done with all of this, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this, and I'll come to this logo side, right? Click on it so that it can take me to the dashboard. Now you see all the pages that we've created. We have about us, contact us, frequently asked question, homepage, pricing, service, support, team, and testimonial. That's 9 pages, right? That's 9 pages. So now for our menu to be completed, so we now go back to the appearance, go to the appearance, click on menu. Now you remember that there was nothing here earlier. But now that we've created those pages, we now have the list of the pages that we can use, and we can add them to menu. So what I'm going to do is I'll select everything of it, all of these these pages. Now it's left to you. If you don't want all of them to appear on the menu, then you can select the one that you want. How do you do that? Just with selecting one after the other. But I don't want to go through that route, so I'll just click on select all, and what you do is add to menu. Now when you click on add to menu, you now see them here. Now, as you can see now, these are the list of the pages that you have now. So now here you can now manipulate them, right? You can edit them, you can modify them. So I want my home page to come first. Just click on it and drag to the top. No, I don't want it to be a submenu. So we have the home page. Then the next thing should be about us. Just long press on it and drag to the top. Then we have the contact us, right? You have the contact us. So after the contact us, I want services to be after the contact us. Now, under the about us, we can put the frequently asked question. That is the frequently asked question about us, right? So how do you do that? Instead of just dragging, when you drag it under, now let me say this. This, we have the home about us. They are a menu on their home, right? But if you want another and a page to be under a menu, right? As in you want it to be a sub. So instead of dragging it under like this, you bring it under, right? You bring it under, but you drag it to the right. You drag it to the right hand side like this. Then it will be under it. Did you get that now? You did get that now. So that's under about us, right? That's a frequently asked question is under about us. And team should also be under that. So when you want to know about us, you want to know about our team. So I'm going to drag this up and drag it to the right hand side so that it can be under about us. So all this one that looks like there is space by their left hand side, it simply shows that they are under about us. So now we now have home about us, and under about us we have frequently asked question team. Then we have contact us services, right? So this support, maybe we should put the support. Maybe you should put the support under contact us as well, right? You can put this under contact us, and we now have home, about us, contact us, service, pricing, and testimonials. So I think we are good to go here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on save menu. So now our menu has been created. Our menu has been created. Our menu has been created. So in the next 4 minutes, I'll be rounding up this video and we'll pick it up from the next video. So now that our menu has been created, we need now to create our header and footer. It is amazing. It's something that is worth it, and I believe you're getting it right. You see where we will now later have to use our menu. Let me just save it once again to be sure that I've saved it. So our menu has been saved. So for us now to do that of the header and footer, okay, let's make the header and footer in the let's do that in the next video. Then we'll also take the the customization of page, importing the page and customizing the page. We'll take it up in the next video. So see you in the next video.